a dream that you manifested slowly. So fuck a fantasy, this your motherfucking moment.
Hello dolls, welcome back to the Monroe Room. I'm so pleased to have you here today because today we have a very special video and we are featuring a brand which their name is Adore Me. Let me tell you, I am obsessed, especially for Monroe After Dark. Today we are going to be showing you $500 worth of pieces, some sleepwear, and I will also be showcasing some loungewear and some lingerie pieces that you will all absolutely fall in love with. Some of these pieces may not be for you. They also have different types on their website. They have activewear as well, and they just have plenty of options, and they have all sizes for all types of women that are beautiful in their own bodies. And what I love about them is that we have the same vision. We both see women flawless in whatever skin you're in and whatever body shape, because diversity is their favorite thing in women, and you should always feel amazing regardless if you're standing next to a man or a woman, or if you're alone wearing this. Wear that to bed so you can wake up feeling like a phenomenal woman, empowered and ready for your day, ready to take on any obstacle, to go after your goals. You need to look good while you're doing it, okay? Even if it's underneath and nobody can see it but you, it's fine. So I will be linking their website and any other information that you guys may want to know down below, so make sure that you guys follow them on all their socials, check out their website because it is absolutely amazing, and they have something for literally everybody. Even if you like to be a little bit more conservative or you want to be a little extra like me, they're amazing if you're on a budget as well, because they do have the VIP where you can get discounts and you get updated as soon as pieces come out. I will be trying on some pieces, and some pieces I will not be trying on just because there's a little bit of nudity and I'm not trying to show that on here. Especially some of the pieces I selected need pasties and things like that. So I keep that in the Monroe Room after dark when it's just me. But I'm so happy to be sharing this with you, and let's get right into the fun part, shall we? Okay, so this is the first piece I'm going to be showing you. I'm absolutely obsessed with this emerald green robe. I wear this every day, literally. I go walk my dogs in it, and what I love about it the most is that it has pockets, okay? And it is also above knees length. I prefer my robes a little shorter just so they don't get dirty or whatever. But yes, they also have two colors. So they have this emerald green and they have one other color. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on it, but I think it's burgundy. But yes, what I love is this material. This is amazing. This color just gives me like Stepford bougie housewife vibes, and honestly that is what we're trying to become here, ladies. So we need to manifest it in everything that we wear as well, right? Right. So but this just gives it like a twist of like, I'm bad and I'm good at it, period. All right, we're on to the next. So this is the pajama set that I selected. This pajama set honestly makes me feel really bougie, but I love that feeling, right? Especially when you go to bed and then you wake up feeling like $1,000,000. Okay, girl. But yeah, it says adore me all over it, and that's exactly how you want to be feeling when you get to bed, right? You want to feel adored, and you want to wake up feeling adored. So I thought it'd be really cute, especially with this purple color, and it comes with shorts. So I like that because I don't like to be too hot when I'm asleep. Little detailing right here is really cute, and it has it all throughout. But yeah, check it out. Love it, like it, and go ahead. So this set actually is one of my favorite sets from their website. I have received so many compliments from this picture here. I don't want to show the whole set because it's a little too much, but the detailing they have in the actual bra, it's sexy, very, how can I say, like boudoir shoot type of vibes. And this right here is, it gives you that extraness that it needs, but it also gives you a little bit of a lift, especially if you're a mom and you need it, like me. I love it. And it has like a little tad bit of padding in it, so that's always good. But yes, the bottom piece is very comfortable and I love it, and it fit perfectly to my size. So definitely check this piece out. I will be linking it as well. It's definitely my fave. So set number 2 is this amazing 2-piece like lace type of set. I love this part because it holds it in and it looks sexy, and then this gives it like a oomph, and then the bottom piece is like more like this, and then it has like extra little lace in the front. It's very cute. It's not a thong, it definitely covers a little bit, but it's like that see-through mesh material. So I've received many compliments on this set. I would definitely recommend it, and when you wear this set, make sure that you feel confident and make sure that it inspires you to be your baddest self. Okay? Okay, so this next piece is a little bit more simple for my simpler ladies out there that don't like padding, but they like underwire, or you just want something more comfortable to wear. This is definitely for you. The design on here is really cute, and it also goes with the bottom piece. Let me see. So the bottom piece goes like this, and it's not like granny panty vibes or anything like that. It's definitely sexy. So I would really recommend this if you like underwire but no padding and you're just more simple. Darling, this is definitely for you. So this next piece is what I actually chose to wear for Valentine's Day. I wore this jacket just to kind of show you guys. It's like a dress jacket, but it went really low. I wasn't able to wear a bra with it at all when I first got it, and then Adore Me happened, and I was like, oh my god, I found a bra. So I just kind of put it on right now, but you have to adjust. So this is what the actual bra itself looks like. So you see how it's lifted. Especially this would be good for my moms out there that you guys, you know, I'm a mother, and sometimes there's certain things that I can't wear because I just don't have the right boobs for it. Well, guess what? I'm wearing it now. Thong, I like it because it's very soft, but it has like the edge right here. Keep it where it needs to be placed, but it's not like cutting off your circulation in between your thighs if you know you have thick thigh life like me. But yes, I definitely loved it. It comes with these little straps here, so you can take them off, whatever you like. I do like to wear them, but yes, this is definitely a must-have in your bra collection if you like to, or you want to start wearing dresses that are super low cut and you just need that extra oomph. This is for you, babe. This is my first time trying this one piece on. This is definitely my personal style. I love how it comes with a choker and has this little gold accessory here to connect it to the rest of the lingerie piece. It is see-through, so that's why I'm holding it. And then this wire here is what gives you that extra oomph. And then it goes see-through like towards the rest of the bottom, but I'm not gonna show that. You can connect it to the nylons. I would personally do that just to give it the extra nice aesthetic. I would definitely curl my hair like, you know, like bombshell hair, and do like some black smoky eyeshadow look. That would definitely be bomb, or some red lipstick. It's giving me like dominant submissive vibes, so if you're definitely within that realm, then you should check this set out. So this next piece here is this one piece where I'm like trying to show you guys as much as I can. But I definitely love the frills and little extraness here. It's something that I've already slept in, and I woke up feeling so beautiful, so angelic. And yeah, it's a G-string from the back, and then it's just very comfortable. There's no wires, there's no nothing. This is just like something you can sleep in, especially if like you don't want to do too much and you're married or by yourself or with a boyfriend and you guys are just trying to have a simple night, nothing too crazy and wild. This is definitely something I would recommend. This is the last one that I can actually try on for you. The next I will just be showing you in my robe, but this one we have to talk about because I've seen other girls post in this and get tagged on the Adore Me Instagram, and they look amazing. I haven't worn it yet, but what I love is how long this goes, and it goes in the back starting from here all the way down. So if you connect it to the nylon, it just looks so sexy, and it's not even doing too much, you know what I mean? It's so cute. Love it. So this next piece is like, it's not a corset, but it definitely has like the wiring inside of it, and it comes with a matching thong. The thong is very cute. It still has this, and it connects so that way you can connect it to the nylons. I love it. I've actually already posted this, and tons of compliments, like these tons. And every girl that I've seen has tried this has looked phenomenal. So check this this one out. This was definitely something really cute for Valentine's Day. This could be cute for an anniversary or just because it's sweet, it's sexy at the same. This next one I still have not worn. I'm dying to wear this one. But this is everything. So this is the bra. And it actually goes with pasties. The girl in the picture had some black heart pasties, and that's what sold me. It was just like, oh yes, I love pasties. So I love how it has like this little curtain thing over it, the little lace, and it goes with a matching bottom set. Let me show you the bottom. You guys are not ready. Okay. So this goes in the front, obviously, and then the back is open. Open door access. It's everything. But this is definitely something that you should be putting away for a special occasion. And when you walk out, they're gonna be like, oh my god. So this next piece is by far the sexiest piece of all of the pieces I own from Adore Me. I'm obsessed. Where do I even begin? I don't know. Okay, so this top part here, the bra, covers your nipple with this little design here, this little flower, and then it connects to the wire. The wire is what gives you the lift, and then they also have this little string right here. It's not a choker, it just goes down your chest, and I'm pretty sure it gives you a lift. I have not actually tried this on yet. And then this goes around your stomach, so it's a little design, super cute, especially for those of us that want to like wear a little bit something over our stomach just to make us feel a little bit more confident than we already are. And then it connects down to a G-string. It is see-through, so it also has these ribbons that connect on the sides of it, so you can tie it to your preference around your hip bones. And well, darlings, I don't have anybody to wear this for. I'm gonna tell you, it will definitely be hanging in my closet waiting for that special someone, because this is everything. This next piece here is the final piece, and I love this. It is so sexy, especially on the boob part. Let me show you. So this actually goes over the boobs, but this ribbon is what unties, and you tie it over your nipples, and it pretty much just covers the nipple part, but it like squeezes them together to make them look so juicy. But yeah, I love it, and it's definitely just like a dress, but it opens in the back, because you know they have to add that extraness into it to make you feel just fabulous, even if you're wearing like a gown dress to bed. So this is definitely a staple as well. This is different. They also have a two-piece set to this. The gown itself comes with a G-string, but the two-piece, I believe the bottom matches the top. But they have a variety of options in many different sizes to fit your needs. So I would definitely check them out to see what they have that's your more particular style. Well, that's it for the Monroe room. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and check out Adore Me so you can get some affordable lingerie pieces and look fabulous as always. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Look what